what it covers?
So it will cover your legal liability. The term legal liability means responsibilities which can be enforced by the law. There are two types of legal liability. One is the civil liability, one is the criminal liability. So first we'll discuss the criminal liability. Criminal liability is liability arising from any criminal act or act committed in the violation for a law or ordinance. So this thing is not covered. Usually it is, you have to fight it on your own. But the civil liability is usually covered in this insurance.
So this, you have to understand that civil liability is covered under this insurance. Okay. So what we are telling is generally what happens in insurance, and what Dockland is providing we will tell in an extra. Generally what it covers.
Normally, normal course of events, it covers all the sums which the insurer professional becomes legally liable to pay as damages to third party in respect of any error or omission on his or her part committed while you are rendering the professional services. Whatever claim is there which is legally liable, this is to be given by this will be covered. And if the court found the doctor is guilty of medical negligence and orders him to compensate the patient, the insurance company will pay the amount to the patient on behalf of the doctor. They're actually going to, this insurance means they will be giving the ordered amount by whenever it is, if you're guilty of medical negligence, then your compensation will be occurred by the company. Second is the legal costs and expenses which are incurred in the defense case. With prior consent of insurance company, they are also payable subject to the limit of indemnity selected. According to your claim or policy, it will be covered. Then comes, it offers a benefit of retroactive period on continuous renewal of policy, and this will be, claims will be reported in subsequent renewal, but it pertaining to early period of first inception of the policy also becomes payable. So if there is a continuity in your policy, then it will be applicable till the first point of contact.
Okay, so a lot of people don't understand the retroactive period. Retroactive period means, like for example, right now 2022 or 2021 or in COVID time, you have an indemnity insurance which is going on and you did some operation or some kind of thing, and now in 2025 somebody claims that doctor has done this much and which I have this kind of ill effect, and that claim happens. Okay, and if your policy is in continuity, then that period is also covered. Okay, in retrospective. So retroactive period is very important, and you have to identify how many years insurance company is providing. Okay, is it clear? Retroactive period.
The fourth point is group policies can also be issued covering the member of one profession. Like if there is a group practice, there can be a group cover also.
Yeah.
Group discount premium is available depending upon the number of members. So it is just like if you have a group, then you can have a group insurance. Fifth is the policy is effective and applicable for the liability incurred by the doctor anywhere in India. Most of the companies are giving this. The doctor has obtained his indemnity of an insurance company in Maharashtra, but he operates in Delhi and is guilty of negligence. In order to pay a compensation by Delhi State Consumer Commission, the insurance company in Maharashtra will pay the amount on behalf of the insured doctor. So there is a pan-India coverage. Finally, sixth point is policy regarding out-of-court settlements from one insurance company to other. Recently, some private insurance companies also come up with the out-of-court settlement as an inbuilt feature of the indemnity policy. This is also possible in some of the schemes.
Some of the products, it is also possible to have out-of-court settlement with the people who have come, who have asked for the compensation, because it is always in benefit for both the parties to get an out-of-court settlement, because a lot of legal costs require, hassles is there. So now it is becoming part of the policy itself. Okay, so this is also one point where you can look which insurance provider to get into with or not, because whether it is providing that option or not.